Hello friends, I'm Tahir Hussain. I'm gonna give you a message about natural way of getting growth in all aspects of your life. This topic I have taken from a book Magic, written by Rhonda Byrne. You will have heard people say to count your blessings, and when you think about the things you are grateful for, that's exactly what you are doing. But what you may not have realized is that counting your blessings is one of the most powerful practices you can ever do, and it will magically turn your whole life around. When you are grateful for the things you have, no matter how small they may be, you will see those things instantly increase. If you are grateful for the money you have, however little, you will see your money magically grow. If you are grateful for the relationship, even if it is not perfect, you will see it miraculously get even better. If you are grateful for the job that you have, even if it is not your dream job, things will begin to change so that you enjoy your job more, and all kinds of opportunities for your work will suddenly appear. The flip side is that when you are not counting your blessings, you can fall into the trap of unintentionally counting negative things. We count negative things when we talk about the things we don't have. We count negative things when we criticize or find fault with other people, when we complain about traffic, waiting in lines, delays, the government, and not having enough money. When we count negative things, they increase too. But on top of that, with every negative thing we count, we cancel out blessings that were on their way. First thing in the morning or as early in the day as you can, count your blessings. You can write out your list by hand or type it on a computer and keep all your gratitude in one place. So my dear friends, it's my advice to make a simple list of 10 blessings in your life you are grateful for. Because when you think about the reason why you are grateful for a particular thing, person, or situation, you will feel gratitude more deeply. Remember that the magic of gratitude happens according to the degree of your feeling. So with each item on your list, write the reason why you are grateful for it. After you have finished making your list of 10 blessings, go back and read each one, either in your mind or out loud. When you get to the end of each blessing, say the magic words 3 times. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And feel the gratitude for that blessing as much as you possibly can. To help you feel more gratitude, you can be grateful to your Lord, the universe, the spirit, your life, and your greater self. When you direct gratitude towards something or someone, you will feel it even more, and your gratitude will have even more power and create even more magic. The practice of counting your blessing is so simple and so powerful in altering your life. I want you all to continue to add 10 more blessings to your list every day for the next 27 days. You might think it could be difficult to find 10 things you are grateful for every day, but the more you think about it, the more you will realize how much you have to be grateful for. Look closely to your life you have received. There is really so much to give thanks for. You could be grateful for your home, your family, your friends, and your work. You could be thankful for the sun, the water that you drink, the food that you eat, the air that you breathe. Without any of them, you couldn't be alive. You could be grateful for the trees, the animals, the oceans, the birds, the flowers, the planets, blue sky, rain, the stars, the moon, and our beautiful planet. You could be grateful for your senses, your eyes that see, your ears that hear, your mouth that tastes, your nose that smells, your skin that enables you to feel. You could be grateful for the legs you walk on, your hands that you use to do almost everything, your voice that enables you to express yourself and communicate with others. You could give thanks for your amazing immune system that keeps you well and all of your organs that maintain your body so that you can live, and your mind, which no computer technology in the world can substitute. You would feel significantly better and happier each time you count your blessings. The more gratitude you felt, the happier you will feel, the faster your life will change. Some days you will feel happier really quickly, and other days it may take a little longer. But as you continue to count your blessings every day, my dear friends, you will notice a bigger and bigger difference in the way you feel each time. And you will see that your blessings magically multiply. So this is all about my message. I hope you understood well. Thank you very much and have a nice day.